All right, welcome back to Outside Atlanta. Again, we've got another new knife day for me. You can see there, Bone Distributing, that's knife ship free, and I'm interested to see how awesome this new Ultra Lite Bushcrafter is. Been looking at this for a while, hadn't done it yet. Got a little crazy over the holiday and decided, yep, I'm gonna get one. Hey, there we are. And we went with the navy burlap with a blue liner. So all blue today. Let's get it out here and see what it looks like. Sheath, pretty standard. All right. Pretty nice. There it is, 3V. Apologize for the overhead aircraft there. We are outside Atlanta and we have the busiest airport in the world. Love that Bushcrafter compass there. All right. Nice comfortable grip. I almost always hold my knife like that, so I get my whole hand on it right before that curve. It's pretty nice. Scandy ground. Pretty thin though for a Buck River. Most time you get a lot thicker knife. That blue on blue looks good too. I wasn't sure if you'd actually be able to even see it, but it's a different shade. You can see really good right there. Looks really good. So, got some red paracord inside. We'll throw a lanyard on it, and we'll take it out, and we'll see how awesome it is in the field. Thanks for watching, everybody.